Hi, welcome back to Service K9 UK. If, like me, you have the opportunity to drive the new style Mercedes Actros, then you may be aware that they have an issue with the radio. And one of the problems is, like I had yesterday morning, I jumped in my truck, power to the radio, no audio, no sound. So if, like me, you're a terrible singer and you really don't want to be listening to yourself singing, then stick around and watch this video. This little hack may help you. Thanks for watching. Welcome back. This time it's a quick one. It's the age-old story of the Mercedes and the radio. This time it's not pairing with the Bluetooth. It's nothing to do with that. It's the age-old thing where the radio is on but you've got no sound, no volume at all. Now there's lots of little things that people say. The Mercedes Android connection, they don't like each other. A lot of people don't have any problems at all using an iPhone, but for some reason the radio will look as though it's on, but you just will not get any volume at all. So I found a little hack. It's as simple as this. Won't take very long. Just unplug your fob, plug it back in, unplug it, plug it back in, unplug it, plug it back in. Now, how many times you do this, I don't think it's a set number, but I did it about 5 times, and then on the 5th time switch the radio on, and we have sound. Not sure why it happens, but that's a very easy fix. Just put the fob in and out a few times. I don't know whether it will cure everything, but it will certainly cure this particular instance when I couldn't get any volume on my radio. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope it helped.